Ciao tutti, hello everybody. Today we're going to show you how we make tomato sauce the Italian way. We got 4 generations of Italians here, and we're going to show you the whole process from buying the tomatoes, to washing them, to cutting them, to cooking them, to drying them, and most importantly, to eating them.
Hello everyone. Today
we are making tomato sauce.
So we just got the longos. We are picking up 20 bushels of tomatoes. We loaded 10 of them in this car, 10 of them in the other car, and now we're heading home.
We are out here on tomato sauce today. Currently we are going through about like a 5-step wash process. We're picking out the bad tomatoes. If we need to, cut some off, otherwise sauce them out. We got wash bucket number 1, wash bucket number 2, wash bucket number 3, and then we finally have our clean tomatoes in bucket number 4. Ready, Captain? Yep.
Okay, so here we are at station 2 of tomato making process. Here we bring the clean tomatoes, we cut them in half, squeeze some of the juice out, and then we put them in another bucket.
This process here is to crush the tomatoes and get the juice, getting ready to put it into the boiling pot.
Okay, so I'm putting this on the second time.
Okay, so step 4, we cook the sauce. So we got it in these pails. We're gonna pour it in here. Ooh, splashing a little bit, it's hot. When we started cooking the sauce, it was up over here, and it went down probably about 4 inches or so. We're gonna let it go down another inch or so, and then we're gonna start bottling. Okay, so right now we're getting a few scoops of sauce for our fresh pasta lunch. You can see it's nice and thick already, and that's gonna be topping for lunch. Okay, so we're upstairs right now. We're getting the basil ready to put in the jars. When we do the sauce the Italian way, all we do is put basil in and sauce, and that's it.
The sauce is boiled, it's ready to put into the jar. A little bit of basil at the bottom for extra flavor.
And then I just put a lid.
Now you put a boiled seal on top, and then the lid, make sure you tighten it. Put the jar upside down overnight.
Okay, so now we're cooking the pizza. So we're doing the dough over here. We got the pizza oven, and we're gonna make it nice.
this is the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed watching us make sauce and then eat our daily pizza.
Thanks for watching. Uh-oh, this is where things start going wrong. Almost boiled over. We're spilling. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.